unbelievable long signal that we caught today, guys and gals, that allowed us to potentially nail the exact low of this monster move today. All right, guys and gals, we basically had the mother of all trend days once again. And if you study the trend and you follow the trend and you believe in the trend, then you absolutely crushed it today using our volume indicator color band. Right, guys and gals, what a day. Let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And the chart that you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live market price action on the S&P 500. You guys know this is the global benchmark. You can trade the S&P on Forex, on futures, and or stocks and options. This is probably the most liquid symbol out there. But don't worry, for all you NASDAQ lovers, I do got the NASDAQ queued up here for you. We will come back to the NASDAQ in just a few moments, and I'm going to show you right in front of your face how this was a potential 1,000 tick or pip move on the NASDAQ. All right, but listen, guys and gals, can we at least talk about the power of a trend? I mean, at this point, I don't know who's left that's going to disagree with me on this theory. You understand that trend trading is the most powerful strategy. It's the most reliable strategy. And in my humble opinion, I think it's the most honest strategy, right? Because when a trend starts, as represented by this color band changing from red into green as it did right there, okay? When that trend starts, there's no force on earth that's going to stop that trend, right? Not you, not Goldman Sachs, not the Federal Reserve, not the government. There's nobody that can stop a trend when that trend gets rolling. You understand? You kind of have to think of a trend as a runaway freight train, and you only have one or two opportunities to board that train before it leaves the station. You know what I'm saying? So to everyone who's new, or maybe you're still uncertain about what this volume indicator color band means, let me break it down for you nice and simple. All right, volume is the only thing that matters when it comes to trading a trend. You don't care about anything else, right? Not the symbol, not the trading hours, not the time frame. Nothing matters except the volume. And what this indicator color band does is it can detect volume pressure, okay? When the sellers are in control, meaning when the sellers overwhelm the buyers, you'll see this color band print red. And of course, on the flip side, when you see the buyers overwhelm the sellers via volume, then you're going to see the color band turn green, as it did right here. But just because the volume shifts green doesn't mean that you randomly rush in and buy the market. You know that, right? Instead, what smart people like us try to do is we try to wait for a nice little pullback exactly like this. You understand, guys and gals, where the market retraces, it comes back down, stopping out all those idiots, those fools, those mediocre retail traders, right? Because they think the trend has gone back to being red, right? They don't know any better. Because as you can see right here, the volume color band never turned red. It was green all day today. So shame on you if you tried to short this market, right? When it was so clearly and obviously green. Anyway, what we like to do when we're looking for fills in the direction of the trend is we want to wait for these pullbacks. I like to call them retracements. You can call them pullbacks, but whatever you call them, understand that this is what we're looking for, right? We want to see the market retrace and give us a significantly better fill than the color change part of the chart, right? And then once we get our color matches, right, we get a green bar that closes against the green color band, and this bar's got to be below the band. This right here is my potential winning ticket. This right here is my jackpot. You understand? So what I'd look to do is potentially go long on the open of the next bar, okay? The stop loss must be placed one or two ticks underneath the signal bar's low. This is the logical location to place your protective stop loss. Remember, guys and gals, the stop loss is there for your protection. It's so that you can take the small loss instead of the big loss. But today, The stop loss never got touched as we potentially bagged almost 1,000 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex. Isn't that unreal, guys and gals? Do you now see the power of a trend? And at this point, how can you even doubt the power of a trend? Right? But I mean, look, there's always going to be a certain segment of amateur retail traders out there who refuse to change, right? These people will never give up their candlestick charts, as you can see here, their Bollinger Bands, their stochastic nonsense. I mean, it's all just a complete pile of bull dookie, all right? It's nonsense, it's garbage. These type of people just eventually end up in the trash heap or the garbage pile, okay? Whereas professional traders, or at least people that have the desire and the motivation to want to do this for a living, right? Well, us professionals, we look at the markets differently because we have to, right? I need to know the starting point of a trend. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to know the middle point of the trend. I certainly don't want to know the end of the trend, and I definitely 100% do not want to ever trade a useless trend like this, right? I need to only pay attention to what the market's telling me, and that's why I love this volume indicator color band, because in my humble opinion, guys and gals, this is the only trading indicator that actually tells you the truth about successfully trend trading the market. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.